the awesome paradise on the earth. Coorg is also called as Scotland of India. Sorry friends, I forgot to tell you about me. This is Lasya Mayuri, Arun's elder daughter. Guys, let me explain about our trip details. From Hyderabad to Bangalore by air, from Bangalore to Mysore by bus, and from Mysore to Coorg by bike. The thing is, my papa decided to go alone for this trip, so papa booked only single ticket for him long ago. When the time came closer, myself and my sister started forcing Papa to take us with him. So Papa took immediate decision and decided to book 3 more tickets. He checked online for the same Air Asia flight whether tickets are available or not. It was great, tickets are available. So immediately booked 3 more tickets for the same flight. Not only air tickets, all the bookings have got revised accordingly. We started our trip on December 14, 2018. Our flight was at 11:30 am, so we reached airport an hour before. Guys, myself and my sister both were so excited to board the flight. We felt very happy to fly in the sky. Finally we boarded. Myself and my sister enjoyed a lot seeing clouds from inside the flight. I felt we are in clouds, but so much disappointed because we reached so early to Bangalore in 30 minutes. Reached Mysore after 3 hours of travel from Bangalore airport. This is the hotel Royal Heritage where we stayed. It was very nice and neat. Our room was also very neat and clean. We had some rest and had early dinner to sleep because we need to get up early in the morning to reach Coorg by bike. Papa hired a bike Activa online from Royal Brothers Bike Rentals, Mysore. As they promised, they provided the bike at our hotel location. So again we packed our belongings and checked out our hotel to start the ride. Papa inquired all the details from few people how to reach and about road conditions of Mysore to Coorg route. From there, our journey was started. We had taken so many stops to enjoy the new places. Firstly, we reached Tibetan Monastery, which is located in Bailkuppe, Coorg. It is also called as Golden Temple. We went inside the temple. Temple is very great. It is Buddhist temple. Before reaching the temple, we have passed through the Tibetan streets. Also, we have seen a lot more Tibetan families, people and their culture. We had a good time at Tibetan Monastery and left from there to reach Kushalnagar Dubare Elephant Camp. We need to cross the river Kaveri to reach the elephant camp. Here also river rafting is most adventurous thing when water flow is good. very good experience by crossing the river by boat to see the elephants. After reaching the place, we have to walk a little bit to see big and baby elephants. We can also see elephants bathing in the river. You get a great view of lot of elephants, play with them and feed them grass. These elephants will get trained for Dasara festivals, Mysore. We had a very memorable experience at Elephant Camp and left from there to reach Madikere, Coorg. Coorg is one of the popular hill stations in India. It is surrounded by beautiful mountains and great greenery. Coorg is popularly known as Scotland of South India. Coorg also produces the spices like cardamom, pepper and turmeric. The coffee plantation Coorg covered with stunning greenery will charm anyone. With lush greenery spread like a blanket of nature, blooming flowers decorating its every corner, waterfalls filling with the atmosphere with the refreshing thunder. Coorg does make an ideal holiday destination. Bhagamandala Temple is very beautiful temple. It is located down from Madikeri. Talkaveri is located on very top. This place is the birthplace of Kaveri river. You will get to see the very beautiful view from the top. Mandalpatti viewpoint is one of the top places to visit in Coorg. Great landscapes and stunning views would be seen here. To reach Mandalpatti Valley, we have to hire a jeep to reach the hill station. Our own vehicles cannot be climbed with the condition of route. It is located in 3,500 feet above sea level. The gorgeous landscape of Coorg is of rolling hills with acres of coffee plantation dotted with lush teakwood and sandalwood forests. Abbey Falls, just 12 kilometers from Madikeri. It is the best waterfalls. A lot of water and view is amazing. From Coorg, reached Mysore around 5:30 p.m. on day 5 and visited Mysore Palace. But we didn't get time to visit inside the palace because we have to give back the bike which we had in Mysore. And also we have to board the bus at 6:30 p.m. to reach Hyderabad. Papa booked a Volvo bus online by Orange Travels from Mysore to Hyderabad. The bus got all the facilities inside. Orange Travels provided food pack and water bottles. Next morning around 7 a.m. reached Hyderabad safely. Great and awesome trip it was. Had a good traveling experience. Thank you all. Bye.